Well, welcome back to Lone Star Homestead. Today we move our 100 chickens out into the pasture. So they've been in the brooder for almost 3 weeks now, right at 3 weeks. So these are production reds. We're going to sell them. We're going to see how this goes. We're going to try to get them. Ooh, they're pretty lively. We're going to put them in the chicken tractor that we had the meat chickens in. I took the meat chickens today up to the processor, so we're going to put these chicks in there, leave them in there probably about a week, just to see if they, that way, not to see if, but hopefully they will think that's their home and stay there and not fly over the fence and fly away. So, all right, let's go. Here we go. Calm down, everybody.
You want to put it in there?
Wait a second, yeah.
You want to just grab them and put them in there?
We can grab and put in there, or we can. Hello. Or we can. Tag number 2. Hold this right here. Hold it up. Fall back there and kick him back this way. Hey, easy. Leave that there. Just hang on there. Yo! Back up. There we go.
Alright, that one. You want me to push that one back in?
Sure. Woo! Cooper! Let's go! Alright, you go get the gate. Go get the gate for him. Got him! All right, here we go. Here we go, here we go. I know, it's horrible. Grab that. Oh yeah. Everybody's real curious. Who is it? Oh, new people. Here. All right, here we go. All right, here we go. Come back at you. Go ahead. Come back a little bit. Back up. Keep your feet still. Oh yeah. Are you okay? Oh my goodness. Are you okay? Okay, you look fine. Okay. There we go. All right, so here we go. 110 or 9, we're right at, we don't know exactly how many, but we're gonna use the same feeding system that we had in the other. We're gonna use the same feeding system that we had in the other setup over here with the other chickens, I guess I should say, the other meat chickens. So we'll see how this goes. We'll keep you updated in their progress. First time on grass, so we'll see how it goes. All right, see you later.